Good morning. Myself, C.D. Prem Kumar, Assistant Professor from Department of Information Technology, going to deliver the core content on Microcontroller and Embedded Systems. In this video, I am going to discuss about the concept of addressing modes of 8051 microcontroller. Coming to the contents of addressing modes, first we are going to discuss about what is addressing modes, then types of addressing modes. In that we are going to see immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, finally indexed addressing mode. Let's see what is the definition of addressing modes. CPU can access the data in various ways. The data could be in a register or memory, or it acts as an immediate value. The various ways of accessing the data that could be in a register or memory or an immediate value is said to be addressing modes. First, we discuss about immediate addressing mode. In this immediate addressing mode, the data is provided in the instruction itself, that is immediately after the opcode. In this addressing mode, the hash symbol is used for immediate data. Let's see some of the examples. Move A, hash 6AH. Move R3, hash 45H. Move DPTR, hash FE00H. In this example, the contents 6A is moved to accumulator A. Then the content 45 is moved to the register content R3. Here FE00 acts as a 16-bit data. Since our microcontroller capacity is 8-bit, the lower byte 00 is moved to DPL and higher byte FE is moved to DPH. Let's see the representation of immediate addressing mode. In this, move A, hash 6A. 6A is the data that resides in the program memory. After the instruction gets executed, the 6A is copied to accumulator. Coming to the register addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the source or the destination data should be present in a register, that is R0 to R7. Here, some of the examples are listed out. Move A, R5. Here, the content present in R5 is copied to the accumulator. Second example, move R2, hash 45. Here, the content 45 is copied to register R2. Third, move R0, A. Here, the content in accumulator is copied to register R0. In this addressing mode, the combination of two registers is not applicable. For example, it is move two registers. It can be R5, R2 or R5, R3 or R5, R4. Whatever the combination of two registers is not possible. Coming to the register addressing mode, here move A, R4. R4 contains two content 2F which is available in both register bank. With the help of program status word, only one register bank is chosen and the content 2F is copied to the accumulator. Coming to the next addressing mode, that is direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the source or the destination address is specified by using 8-bit data in an instruction. Only the internal data memory can be used in this mode. Here we see some of the examples. Move R2, 45H, move R0, 05H. Here 45H is the address where the content present is moved to R2. Next, move R0, 05H. In this, the content which is present in the 05 address is moved to R0. Let's see the implementation part. Move A, 04H. Here 04H resides in a program memory that acts as an address. In this address, 1F is the data. That data is copied to the accumulator. In this register indirect addressing mode, the source or the destination address is given in the register. By using the register indirect addressing mode, the internal or external addresses can be accessed. Here, the registers R0 and R1 are used for 8-bit addresses and DPTR is used for 16-bit addresses. No other registers, that is R2, R3, R4, R5 up to R7 cannot be used for this purposes. In this mode, the at symbol is used for register indirect addressing, whereas in our immediate addressing, we saw hash symbol. Example, move a at R0, move x at dptr a, move at R1 32H. Here, for example, if you take the first instruction, R0 contains a data that acts as an address, in that if any content is available, that is copied to accumulator. Here, X indicates it is a external data memory. Let's see the representation. Here, R0 contains the content 20. That 20 acts as an address, in that the data 2F is copied to the accumulator. Coming to the last addressing mode, indexed addressing mode. In this indexed addressing mode, the source memory can only be accessed from program memory only. The destination operand is always the register A. Let's see the example. Move C A, at A plus dptr. This example is represented in the second slide. Now here we see the example with PC. Here C indicates it is a code byte. For the first instruction, let us consider A holds 30H and PC value is 1125H. Both the contents gets added and they are moved to register A. Now we see the second one. So here the DPTR contains 01FE content. That content is added with 02. Once if it gets added, the result is 0200. So in that 0200, if there is any data present, that data is copied to accumulator. So far, we discussed about the definition of addressing modes and various types of addressing modes: immediate, register, direct, register indirect, finally indexed addressing mode with various examples. Thank you.